Today we're gonna talk about how I got my English accent, if I can actually say that. Well, first of all, I want to make something clear. People that don't speak English as a native language are the ones that tell me that I sound like a native speaker from the US. And people from the US tell me that I sound like from Africa. They're always like asking me where I am from, and yes, like it is kind of crazy. My first language is Spanish. The way that I got my accent was by learning English by myself. I started like watching content on YouTube, also like reading, and I moved to the US 3 years ago, so that also like influenced on how like I learned English and the accent that I learned. I feel like I'm still learning. I want to sound more natural. However, if you want to know what I did in order to get this level, just stay until the end of this video. The way you get your accent is actually by speaking more often. So what I did, it was to speak English by myself, like copying people through a mechanism that is called shadowing. I already explained on my videos multiple times what shadowing is, but in case that you don't know, shadowing is a speaking practice in which you copy a person speaking, the person speaks, and you immediately repeat what the person says.
How does your brain fall in love?
How does your brain fall in love?
Is it something magical that happens to your brain?
Is it something magical that happens to your brain? I was using like American content, YouTube videos, and movies in order to do this. I feel like influenced a lot on how I speak now because since I was constantly copying them, I like gotten used to talking like them. I would say that shadowing is great in order to practice your accent and also how you pronounce things. It can correct you a lot. So try shadowing because through this exercise you're literally doing what you did in order to learn your first language, just listening to your family around you and just repeat what they were saying. So this exercise is perfect for that. For shadowing, I recommend using content you actually enjoy watching. It can be podcasts, interviews, YouTube videos, or even movies and shows in English. The key is to choose something with clear pronunciation and natural conversation. Another thing I did in order to improve my accent was to read a lot of content in English. I have a lot of books in English and I started reading more in English when I moved to the US. It's where I found like more content in English, information in English on the internet, also in books, and in high school I was constantly reading material in English. So reading out loud also forces yourself to improve how you speak, and it is a great exercise to like make yourself flow more naturally in your target language. I started to read like daily. It was not that much, 5-10 pages, but I was trying to read consistently so that I would getting used to pronounce certain words, to sound more like natural, and to flow better when speaking like this, like fast, because it happens that we can speak English but we are speaking too slowly and that can be a little bit annoying to people. So I decided to practice more reading, speaking skills, and also my accent and all that, even though I feel like I need to improve even more my accent, but yes. Now that you know that in order to improve your accent, what you need to focus on is your speaking skills and actually practicing out loud, this is where it comes busuu. Busuu has personalized study plans based on your level and your goals, plus structured lessons for grammar, vocabulary, reading, listening, and writing, so you are improving every part of your English, not just speaking. They also have a speaking practice where you listen to fluent speakers, repeat the phrase, and get instant feedback on your pronunciation. They also have AI conversations where you can practice real-life speaking situations and build confidence without feeling nervous. So if your goal is to sound more natural in English and improve your accent, actually speaking every day makes a huge difference, and busuu makes that part much easier. If you want to try busuu, just click the link in the description below. It's completely free, and if you want, you can upgrade to have access to even more features. And thank you to busuu for sponsoring this portion of the video. Another thing that I believe it has influenced a lot my speaking skills, my accent, my pronunciation skills is presentations at college or high school, formal speeches in which you have to talk about a specific topic. I've been doing a lot of those recently in which I have to talk about a specific topic and it's completely in English. These presentations were forcing myself to like speak more naturally and also to improve the way that I express myself and all this. I would say that also like the confidence that you get when you present yourself to all that people, it's a lot of the confidence that you get. So I would say that that also influenced in how you speak. If you have confidence, you're gonna express yourself even better. Another thing, and I think this is the last one, this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel has forced myself to improve more like expressing myself, and you know, it is very important to have like a really good way of presenting yourself, like social skills and speaking skills and all that. Creating a social media in which you're like speaking constantly in your target language is gonna help you a lot. It's like pushing yourself to doing something that you don't want to do, but since you're being consistent, you have to do it. I don't know how many videos I've created speaking English, but I know that I can notice like the difference between the first videos and how I am speaking now. Like I am expressing myself more easily and more confident. So you can also like try and do the same and see what happens. If you want to improve your accent in English, it's all about speaking more. Also keep in mind that you have to pick a specific English accent. For example, I was more focused on the accent from the US, but you may be probably interested on the British accent or Australian accent. So I think it's very important to have clear which accent you want to learn. Once you have picked your target accent, immerse yourself in it to understand its slang and things that seem to be hard for you. Let me also make clear the key tips for success when it comes to improving your accent. First, slow down. I know that when we are trying to speak English, we want to speak really fast so that we think that we are speaking like a native speaker or something like that. But if you're just starting, the best thing that you can do is to speak slowly so that people can actually understand your message and you can also actually think before speaking and organize better your ideas. You're gonna express yourself even better when speaking slowly. Also, be consistent. All the points that I mentioned on this video actually work, but they only work if you're consistent and you practice every single day. You need to be consistent in order to getting used to speaking a foreign language, because if you're constantly speaking just your native language, it's gonna be almost impossible for you to improve your accent and to see results. Also, remember to focus on phrases instead of single words. When you focus on phrases, it's easier for you and your brain to remember that information and to storage that information in your brain so that you don't forget about it. And when it comes to a situation where you have to express yourself and you have to use that idea, like that phrase, you already have it and you're not trying to combine together single words, it's gonna make it like harder for you. Don't feel ashamed of your accent. Don't think that people are gonna make fun of you or things like that. Usually the people that makes fun of people who have a different accent when speaking English are the ones that just speak one language, so you don't need to feel bad about those people. Just focus on yourself. You're learning, you're evolving, you're learning a second language, which is a pretty cool thing. So don't feel bad about your skills. It just takes time, and over time you're gonna see results. So hopefully this was helpful. These are the things that I believe have helped me to improve my accent and to get to the level that I'm now. But as I said before, I think that I need to improve even more. Like I need more practice. I need to, for example, speak English at home, because at home we are constantly speaking Spanish, and I need to practice more English. I actually need to learn how to express myself at home and all this. But yes, I really believe I need more practice. But yes, hopefully this helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment telling me which method or which tip are you trying to implement. And yes, thank you for being here, and I see you in the next one.